deconstructed wedge salad. It's so quick, so easy, and so delicious. There's no excuse for not treating yourself well with delicious food. If you make this recipe, you'll feel like you've been eating in a restaurant. I call this a deconstructed wedge salad because I just chop all the components and arrange them attractively in the bowl and then toss them just before serving. It makes it easy to make this salad ahead of time, and it allows for people to choose how much salad they actually want. To prepare the wedge salad, you're going to want a large, pretty bowl, 1/4 of a head of iceberg lettuce per person, some delicious blue cheese, some strips of pre-cooked bacon, I cooked this up this morning, and some delicious cherry tomatoes. Coarsely chop your iceberg lettuce, place it in the bowl. You want your lettuce to be in bite-sized pieces. I like to cut the cherry tomatoes into smaller pieces. I don't want anyone to have to use a knife when they're eating the salad. A little salt and a little pepper. For the blue cheese, I just cut off a chunk in a big slice, and then either cut it or use a fork to break it into crumbles. Now you could buy blue cheese crumbles at the grocery store if you prefer, but I did buy this large wedge of blue cheese and it was very tasty. So I'm going to put all of the blue cheese into the bowl, just on one side, tomatoes to the bowl, and now I'm going to chop the bacon. A coarse chop on the bacon, so we know that you're getting some bacon in your mouth when you take your bites. And there we have it. The salad is ready to toss with blue cheese dressing, either your favorite store-bought blue cheese dressing or one that you make. I like to use a mason jar when I make my dressing because it has pre-measured indicators on the side, so that makes it really easy for me. Start to make this blue cheese dressing by adding 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, your favorite kind of mayonnaise. To the 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, I'm adding 1/4 cup of sour cream for a nice tangy contrast to the mayonnaise. About 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a large clove of garlic that I'm going to crush because I don't want any large bits. Now you could grate your garlic if you prefer to do that. A teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. One final addition is buttermilk. Buttermilk is going to add a delicious tang to this salad dressing, and the buttermilk is going to help you to decide how thick or thin you want your base to be. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons and mix it around. When you add your blue cheese is going to thicken the dressing a bit more. So you want your base to be a little thinner than what you actually think you want your dressing to be. And the taste. Delicious. Let's add some blue cheese. Do buy a wedge when you buy your blue cheese, and then just use a fork to break the pieces of the blue cheese off that you're going to mix into your dressing. Add your blue cheese crumbles to your dressing, about 1/4 cup of crumbles to start, and then taste it to see what you think. You're going to want to let it sit a bit before you make your final decision. I would say make your dressing about 1 hour to 2 hours before you're going to serve it. Okay, another little taste. You can already start to taste the blue cheese flavor. So it's going to be delicious after it sits for 1 hour or 2. Be sure to subscribe for more simply delicious recipe ideas.